What's up, guys? I'm going to teach you how to fix foggy headlights. See these headlights, they got all that moisture in there. We're actually going to drill 3 tiny little holes at the bottom so it'll drain. That's what we're going to do. Alright, the smallest drill bit, I found my small ones here. The smallest one I have is 5/64 inch right here. It's pretty small, so let's go for that one. Alright, got 3 little holes right here. You can barely see them. See if that'll drain that out. Be careful with your paint when you're drilling your holes. Alright, you can't really tell. You gotta get really close. See that I put a couple little holes in this, and then hopefully these will begin to drain as we drive down the highway and on low humidity days. I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'll give you an update later. Almost forgot to let you guys know, but look at that. This headlight's completely clear now. Those little 3 holes we put in there work like a charm. Only took a couple drives and she defogged nicely. The back did as well. Let's go check that out. Look at that. Nice and clear. I just put 3 little holes on both of them and it completely cleared up. It looks fantastic. I'll get some more beauty shots here in a second of the car for you.